Good morning, teacher and friends. Today we are gathered to celebrate Vietnamese Teacher Day, a special occasion to honor our teachers for their dedication. The program begins at 8 o'clock with opening remarks and a lively song. Students from class 7A1, 9A2, and 6A3 perform dances such as Bụi Phần and Cô Gái Bạn Làng and present flower basket to the school to show their gratitude. After that, retired teacher and are invited on stage to receive flowers, and our teacher and students take souvenir photos together. On this meaningful day, we spend our deepest time and best wish to our teacher. Thank you for your listening.